Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable or disable restricted mode on YouTube using your PC. So without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to youtube.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now look at the top right corner of the page and click on your profile picture. From the drop-down menu, scroll all the way down. You will see an option called Restricted Mode. Click on it and a small pop-up will appear. If you want to turn Restricted Mode on, just toggle the switch to the right. Restricted Mode helps filter out potentially immature or inappropriate content. It's great if you want a safer browsing experience. And if you want to turn Restricted Mode off, simply toggle the switch back to the left. Sometimes if your device is managed by a school, workplace, or parental account, you might not be able to change this setting. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.